How to build a .NET report from JSON data in 60 seconds using active reports. To begin, in the top right, open the Data tab. Then, click on the Add button next to Data Sources. Select the JSON provider. Enter the path to your JSON data. Then, click Test Connection. Assuming the test was successful, click Add. Click the plus icon next to your new data source to add a new data set. Name the new data set and add the query for your data. Click Validate to automatically fill the bound fields based on your query. If your data is nested, be sure to check the nested data sets. Verify that the expected fields are all displayed in the dataset interface. Grab a table from the Report toolbox and drag it to the design surface. Then, drag the fields from your new data set directly to the rows of your new table. Click Preview, and just like that, you have a functional report in under 60 seconds. Download a free trial today at developer.meshias.com.